far we have now finished the last chapter also. If you open your index page, all the chapters till I think chapter 11 till cell structures and functions we have studied. Chapter 12 से लेके second last chapter तक we have to do, isn't it? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So reproduction and adolescence chapter is not there in your January portion. In your January portion, I told you already what are the chapters. Can somebody tell me? Can somebody tell me what are the chapters in your January portion?
Ma'am, chemical effect of electric current.
That is there definitely because I'm sharing that screen. What else?
Ma'am, that last chapter, ma'am.
Last chapter is not there in your January portion.
Cell structures.
Cell structures, chemical effects, and one more.
Ma'am, that coming.
So you have 3 chapters in your January portion: cell, chemical effects, and some natural phenomena. So uske alawa, if you see, we have only these chapters left from reproduction se leke yahan tak ka, or these 2 chapters I will do it in the next, I think I think this chapter, some natural phenomena, will take some time. This chapter is super interesting, what we are going to start right now. If you really pay attention and if you understand, it's really, really interesting, and you can even do these activities in your home. Electric current wale activities you can do at your home, and you can actually see those things happening at home. Okay. These 2 chapters also I'll try to finish off soon. I don't know when I'll be able to, but I'll try my best. So let me, okay. So now we are going to start with the chemical effects of electric current. You guys have studied electric current in 6th class and in 7th class. Do you remember? Circuit, current, all of those things?
Yes,
So today what we are going to do is just the basics. Okay? We are going to do revision. We won't start the chapter right away. We are going to do the revision of whatever we have studied previous classes also. And then we'll do thoda bahut isme jo abhi chemical effects kya hota hai, wo sari cheezein, just basics. Okay? So first thing, we need to know what is circuit. Does anyone know what is a circuit? Don't tell me Munna bhai ka best friend.
No.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You know.
What is a circuit? Yes, I'm seeing raised hands. Umesh, go ahead. Umesh, do you want to answer? ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Circuit मतलब मान लो कि
connect for charging.
Yes, whatever we connect for charging. Okay, let's take some example. For example, I'm making a very simple circuit. Okay, there is a battery. Okay, to that battery I am connecting one bulb. Okay, to that bulb I'm connecting one switch, and then I'm completing this circuit by joining this. Correct? Do you think ये bulb glow करेगा? Will the bulb glow if I connect it like this with a switch and a battery and everything?
Yes.
Yes. So the bulb will glow. Guys, I don't want you to be quiet. Kids, I'm going to name some people. Nadia, Alfia, Alia. Alfia still answers. Hajira, Husna, Nesika, Hussain, Aisha Taj, Ume Kulsum. I want all of you to answer. Suhail also. Others usually do answer. But I want others also to start answering. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now I have made a very simple circuit. Okay, be on mute. But only you will answer when I ask you. I've made a very simple circuit here. So यहाँ पे you remember I told you that electric current. You remember I made arrows. Please be on mute.
Fine, Didi. How are you? I miss you so.
Hajira, what is this?
No, ma'am. Divija Didi.
All right. Do you guys remember that we made arrows like this in 7th class when I was teaching you electric circuits? How many of you remember? Give me thumbs up.
I remember, ma'am.
Okay. So I told you that electric current जो होता है, current का there is एक रास्ता follow करके वो जाता है. Yes or no? It will follow one path.
Yes, ma'am.
and it will follow that path, and the electric circuit will become complete. We studied open circuit, closed circuit, all of that. If you remember.
Yeah,
that.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
We're
ma'am.
going to revise all these terms. So circuit is basically the path of electric current. Okay? You can write all of these things down. Path of electric
Okay, ma'am.
current is called circuit. So basically, आपने जो मैंने simple circuit draw किया है, उसको simple circuit as in electricity जो भी रास्ते से जाएगा और बल्ब को ग्लो कराएगा, उस रास्ते को बोलते हैं हम circuit. ठीक है? So whatever path or route that electricity is following, that is called the circuit. All right? So you can write this down. Then we studied circuit are of two types. Okay? They are of two types. What are those two types? I
Open
just told
circuit
you.
and closed circuit.
Yes. Open circuit and closed circuit. How many of you remember this? Please give me a thumbs up. How many of you remember open and closed circuit? I'm seeing 2, 3, 4 thumbs ups, 5, 6 people remember. बाकी लोग को याद नहीं है open and closed circuit? Okay. Open circuit and closed circuit is what we are going to do now. Tell me, is this circuit broken anywhere? कहीं पे टूटा हुआ है क्या ये circuit?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So what kind of circuit will it be? खुला वाला या बंद एकदम?
Ma'am, closed circuit.
This is a closed circuit क्योंकि ये it's not broken anywhere. The path is complete, the road is complete, everything is perfect. Now I'm going to draw another circuit. Again, I'm going to draw one battery. Okay, there is a bulb. There is a switch. Okay, and this. Now tell me if this is open or closed.
Open.
Open.
This one is closed because there is no break anywhere. But यहाँ पे there is a break. Okay, वो टूट चुका है वहाँ पे. There is nothing, no wire in this part. So this is open circuit.
Yes.
Okay, so now you know open circuit and closed circuit का difference.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If I give you drawings like this, you'll be able to tell me if it is open circuit or closed circuit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you a question. What about, now light of my room is on, correct? So is it an open circuit or closed circuit?
Closed.
It is a closed circuit because there is a proper path for electricity and light is glowing. What if I turn the switch off? Will it be open or closed?
It will be open circuit.
Open circuit. Okay, perfect that you remember all this. So what happens in a switch? Take a look here. So when it is off, the switch will look something like this. Yes, and when it is on, the switch will look something like this.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये जो switch है, switch के यहाँ पे there's a wire, okay? So switch के आगे पीछे भी wire निकल के जाता है, okay? But switch के बीच में there is one wire. When it is off position, the wire is like this, okay? Wall के अंदर भी wires होते हैं. There are wires inside the wall, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when you're turning the switch on, the switch is actually connecting the wire and it is making a complete circuit. That's why your bulb or light will glow. Okay. But when the switch is off, the wire is disconnected. वो बाहर की तरफ होता है. It is outwards. It is not connected to the wire inside. Maybe this part is connected, but this part is not connected. So here there is a break in circuit. So this circuit will become open circuit and electricity will not flow. Is this clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Closed
ma'am.
circuit matlab electricity will flow.
Yes,
Open circuit
ma'am.
matlab electricity will not flow. Okay, perfect. Now that you've learned the circuit, can I remove this drawing? Can I erase it?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you've taken a screenshot and that it will be there in your notebook. I'm waiting for 2 seconds if you've not taken a screenshot.
Done, ma'am.
Perfect. Now I'm going to show you a picture. This one. What is this?
Ma'am.
Shell.
What
Shell,
is this?
ma'am. Battery.
Who said cell?
I, ma'am.
I, ma'am.
Yes, this is a cell. Okay, this one
Ami?
is a cell. अगर
Imon.
एक से ज्यादा बच्चे प्लीज बी ऑन म्यूट, अगर एक चीज इस तरह से होता है तो इसको हम बोलते हैं सेल. ओनली वन इज कॉल्ड सेल. बट इफ टू सेल्स आर कनेक्टेड टुगेदर, ओके, देन इट इज कॉल्ड अ बैटरी.
Yes.
Okay, have you seen those blue wale batteries in which there are two things like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That is also a battery because inside it there are two cells. एक बैटरी के अंदर दो सेल होते हैं. वो ब्लू वाला जो आप देखते हो, it has two cells, so it is called a battery. ठीक है? तो अगर आप सिर्फ एक इसको देखते हो, only one of these separately, they are called cells. Okay, so don't forget that cell and battery का difference. All right. Now, what is
Ma'am, this like only now that battery.
Yes,
Yes,
wow,
ma'am.
Mehak, thank you
Yes.
so much for showing. I didn't have that battery, so I thought, how will I let you guys know? But yes, Mehak has shown us that battery. Thank you so much for that, Mehak. You can take a look at Mehak's picture or her video. Okay, so there is a plus written here, guys. Is there anything else also in the bottom? At the bottom,
Yes.
what sign can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus.
Minus. Mehak, can you show us the plus and minus by turning your video on? In your battery, can you show us the plus and minus sign? Mehak, can you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Minus.
Mehak will turn your video on and Mehak will show us that plus and minus sign. Okay, I can see a very small plus sign. Mehak, थोड़ा और पास लेके जाओ. Can you all see that plus sign?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Mehak, show us the minus sign also. Is there a minus sign as well? Okay. So you can see in Mehak's battery, there are two these things like this and like this.
Yes, ma'am.
So in one side they have written plus and in the next side they have written minus. But in case of a cell, on the top it will be plus, on the bottom it will be minus. Okay. So these are called terminals. Okay. Terminal yani end. Terminal is equal to end. Okay. For example, if you go to railway station, they'll say, no, the last terminal of this train is so and so station, or
Yes.
the next terminal is this station. है ना? ऐसे बोलते हैं ना announcement करते time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
terminal मतलब end. Terminal means the end part of it. So जहाँ पर भी plus लिखा है, you know positive and negative. Positive is plus or
Yes,
minus.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus.
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 Positive is plus, so this is called positive terminal. I'm going to write plus VE for positive as short form. But in your exam, you are supposed to write full positive spelling, okay? So this is positive terminal. And the niche wala part is positive का
Negative.
मतलब?
Negative.
Negative terminal. Perfect. Okay. Now you guys know what are positive terminal, what is negative terminal. Now
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me, if there is a circuit like this, again I'm going to draw my simple circuit with a bulb and a switch like this, and there is a cell also. Okay. So now tell me, what will be the direction of electric current? Electric current will go from which terminal to which terminal?
North.
Ma'am, I think
Ma'am.
Negative to positive, ma'am.
Positive to negative, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
somebody is saying negative to positive it will go, and somebody is saying it will go from positive to negative. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I ever ask you question, ki what is direction of electric current will always go from positive to negative. Okay. तो यहाँ से positive terminal ये है इसका, this is the positive terminal. So electric current will always start from positive terminal. Okay, you can see the drawing, right? And it will go to the negative terminal.
Yes, ma'am.
And only
Yes, ma'am.
then the bulb will start glowing. Okay. positive to negative. So always please write this point down. Electric current always flows from positive to negative terminal.
Ma'am, write in another color, ma'am. It's blue, not seeing.
But I'm dictating also, no? थोड़ा zoom करके
Once
देखो,
more, you
please
can
zoom your
dictate,
screen.
ma'am.
Now I'll have to write the whole thing again.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we've only added one point here. Cell has two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal. So this point and this point over here should be there in your notebook. You can draw the drawing also if you want. Okay, and if you want, you can draw a battery and show positive, negative also. Be creative with your notes. Okay,
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
clearing this now. 3, 2,
Yes.
1.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Now, 1 second.
All battery.
Yes, so now we know cell battery, we know what that is. Do you guys remember this symbol? And
Yes,
this
ma'am.
symbol?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So in
Yes.
7th class, if you remember, we gave wire को हम line से draw करते हैं, एक line बनाएंगे, then it means it's a wire, only one line. If it is like this, it means it's a cell. If it is like this, it means it is a battery.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, how is a bulb drawn? Like this. This is a
Yes,
bulb.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We
Okay.
draw
How
like
is a switch drawn?
ma'am, नीचे.
This is an
We draw
open
like a
switch.
square.
ये off, ये switch off है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this is a closed switch. This is switch on position.
Yes, ma'am.
Close. On switch.
ठीक है? ये open circuit होता है. और ये closed circuit होता है. याद है ये सब?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in 7th class we have studied. Please draw
Yes,
this drawing.
ma'am.
Do you want me to draw it again on a whiteboard? Or this is clear? You can see, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a wire. This is a cell. This one is a battery. So when you draw an electric circuit ka drawing, instead of drawing like a cell and a battery like what I did so far, instead of doing all that nonsense job, we just draw with lines like this. If I want to draw a cell, I'll draw like this, and a battery like this, bulb like this, switch off like this, switch on like this. ठीक है? यहाँ पे जो लंबा वाला लाइन होता है,
Okay.
that is which side?
Positive.
Positive. That means the side which has that ऊपर वाला ऐसे चीज.
Negative.
और दूसरा छोटा वाला is negative. Perfect.
Negative.
Now we are done with our revision. Okay. Can I clear this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Battery. B-E-T-T-E-R-Y. Sorry. All right. Now what we are going to do is I'm going to teach you about the chemical effects of all these things. ठीक है? Do you guys remember when I told you कि electricity जहां पर होता है वहां पे magnetic भी होता है थोड़ा बहुत.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
आपको ये
Yes,
चीज
ma'am.
याद रखना है, जहां जहां इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है वहां पे थोड़ा थोड़ा मैग्नेटिज्म भी होता है. ठीक है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप मान लो कि आप अपने फ्रिज के पास एक मैग्नेट लगा दोगे तो वो चिपकेगा.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
तो जहां पर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वेरेवर इज देयर, थोड़ा थोड़ा वहां पे मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट भी होता है. वो बहुत ज्यादा मैग्नेटिक भी नहीं होगा बट थोड़ा सा होगा. ठीक है? जस्ट कीप दैट इन माइंड. So now they're asking you a question over here in your textbook. Do liquids also conduct electricity? Liquid. Okay, so मान लो कि मैंने एक ग्लास में और in any jar or any glass I have taken lemon juice, नींबू पानी. I'm coloring that with yellow color. Okay. This is my नींबू पानी. नींबू पानी में क्या क्या होता है? What is there in lemon water?
Sugar,
Sugar.
water, salt,
One second. My
water, lemon.
hold on 1 second. My this is not working. What has happened to my mouse? Can you guys see my screen?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
we are not
Yes,
able
ma'am.
to see your video.
Ma'am, I.
Don't tell me this is gone. 1 second. Can you see now?
Yeah, we can see.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Just 1 second. My screen is little stuck. I don't know. This video recording is also not stopping. Can you guys all be waiting for like 1 or 2 minutes?
Yeah, ma'am, I can see your screen.
Okay. I'm going to stop sharing and reshare. Manan, can you please be on mute? Yeah. Can you see now? Is it clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Sorry. I don't know what happened. Okay. So I'm taking a glass or a jar and I'm putting lemon juice in it. Okay. So you said there is sugar,
Pepper,
Salt.
water,
salt, pepper,
water,
water.
water,
Main cheez to bhul gaye. What?
lemon.
Lemon.
Okay. Okay. So all these things are there in a lemon water. Okay. So now I'm making a circuit out of this. Okay. I'm taking 2 kheel or something. 2 kheel मैंने लगा दिया. खील पता है ना? Nail. जो दीवार पे we put no like that wall पे. तो खील
Yes, ma'am.
मैंने ले लिया.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. And then I'm putting a battery here. Okay. And I'm putting one bulb also here. And I'm connecting it to the next part of the keel. So tell me, is this open or closed circuit?
Closed,
Why?
ma'am, because no.
Open.
Open or closed?
Open, ma'am.
Closed, ma'am.
Why, Arfat?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
because no.
Okay. So far, हमने ये पढ़ा है कि whenever there is a break in circuit, अगर ये जुड़ा होता है ऐसे, if it is joined, then we would say that, oh, okay, fine, this is a closed circuit. Okay, but so far that's what we've studied, right? But now
Ma'am, this is open circuit.
So now you guys are saying this is an open circuit.
Ma'am, closed circuit, ma'am.
But Arfat is saying closed circuit. I don't know where Arfat has seen this, but this bulb will still glow. Technically, जो हमने पढ़ा है उस हिसाब से this is open circuit. But ये जो bulb है, वो फिर भी glow करेगा. क्यों? Why?
मैम उसमें वायर्स है ना मैम.
क्योंकि उसमें
वायर्स.
वायर तो है, लेकिन पानी के अंदर तो ये क्लोज्ड है, मतलब ओपन है ना, फिर भी क्यों इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जाएगा इसमें?
Ma'am, because no, that water is in a jug, ma'am, in a glass or something.
Okay. So do you
And
think
I
glass
can
is
tell,
a
ma'am.
conductor?
Ma'am, no, see, this
No, ma'am.
glass means it
there
is
is-
small.
It is?
If
Ma'am.
it is in a,
Let one person speak. Arfat, go ahead.
ma'am, if it is in a glass, then the water is in a lemon juice is in only one glass, and
Okay.
the snails will touch each other, ma'am, if it moves.
No, it's not touching also. It's not touching, Arfat. I am telling you that I am giving you condition. It's not touching anywhere. Then,
Ma'am,
yes. Umez is raising hand. I'll ask Umez also. Yes, Umez. Do you want to say something? A question. Have you ever seen बारिश वाले time पे? Guys, please be on mute, Manan. Have you seen बारिश वाले time में when people are walking on the street and there is some wire which is fallen down and they're walking through that water, they will get shocked? Have you seen that? Or have
Yes,
you heard
ma'am.
of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
How does that happen? पानी में कैसे? Is water a good conductor? Sayyid Shahid has raised his hand. You can raise your hand. Sayyid Shahid, yes. Tell me. Arfat. Go ahead.
Because water is a
Ma'am.
good conductor of electricity.
Water. Okay. Sayyid Shahid.
Ma'am,
first.
ma'am,
I thought you were
I
not
tell.
answering.
Ma'am, I tell ma'am.
Can I please ask Sayyid Shahid first? Yes, Shahid. Go ahead.
Ma'am, that is a good conductor, no?
Okay. Hajira, go ahead.
Ma'am, in that rain is come no, ma'am. अब बारिश आया तो there one switch no, ma'am. In उसके पास अब पानी पड़ा करंट मारता, ma'am.
लेकिन क्यों?
That like it, because they taking.
Okay.
They were done.
All
Why
right,
means
guys.
that current means it is bad conductor?
Okay, let me tell you guys one thing now. Okay, I'm so happy that you guys at least know. You can put your hand down, all of you. I'm super happy that you guys at least know कि water से electricity हमको लग सकता है. We can get electric current if we touch some water. अगर कहीं पे पानी है और वहां पे कोई wire का loose connection पड़ा है, and if you put your leg on that, you will get some shock. Okay, I'm so glad you know that. But what is it that is making water a good conductor? Okay, so there are, अगर आप एकदम प्योर वाटर लेते हो, ठीक है, जिसमें कुछ गंदगी नहीं है, not even tap water, there is something called distilled water. Okay, you don't have to know about what is distilled water, but ये जान लो कि distilled water is something in which there is nothing, it's only water. There is no namak, there is no sugar, it's not even tap water, ठीक है, it's very pure water. ये जो वाटर है वो यूज करते हैं हम लोग लैब्स में, जब एक्सपेरिमेंट करना होता है, दैट टाइम वी यूज डिस्टिल्ड वाटर बिकॉज इट इज प्योर वाटर. ओके, इट्स सो प्योर, लाइक इसमें कुछ गुण नहीं होते हैं. जैसे लोग पूछते हैं ना होटल में जाके, कैन आई गेट मिनरल वाटर? हैव यू हर्ड ऑफ दैट? मूवीज में वन मिनरल वाटर प्लीज. सो मिनरल वाटर में क्या होता है? वाटर में मिनरल्स होते हैं. इट इज हेल्दी फॉर यू. डिस्टिल्ड वाटर में कुछ भी नहीं होता है. यू डोंट इवन नीड, यू कांट ड्रिंक इट ऑल्सो. Okay, not about taste, but उसको पी के कोई फायदा नहीं है, because distilled water में there is nothing good. It's just normal water, H2O only. But the tap water that you get, one second, I'll ask all your questions later. Please wait for 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, in the tap water that you have, there are some amount of salts. Okay, like example, tap water is coming from some pipes, no? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Pipe is made up of which material? Of
Plastic.
metal or plastic. And all this water is coming from sea, lake, ocean, rain, underground water. ठीक है? All of this, you don't have to write all these things, okay? So all this water that you're getting at your home, you're getting from underground, rain, or sea या ocean में से नमक जो निकाल देते हैं थोड़ा बहुत, then we are getting, right? But still, there are some amount of salts present in the water that you can't even taste. ठीक है? आप taste नहीं कर सकते हो. कभी-कभी पानी में मिट्टी भी होता है. Have you seen mud in water?
Yes,
Coming
ma'am.
out of your tap, dirty water is coming out of tap. All right. So now, for example, I'm taking example of our lemon water. Okay. So let me just first erase all this. Do you know what the formula for salt is?
Yes, ma'am.
What is salt में क्या क्या होता है, क्या क्या chemicals, मतलब क्या क्या material होता है, आपको पता है क्या?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
So now we are taking अपना lemon water. इसमें हमने डाला है salt. Okay, pay attention and be on mute, because if you don't pay attention, you're gonna get confused.
नहीं करें.
Alfia mute. Okay, salt होता है और lemon होता है. ठीक है, हम salt और lemon लेते हैं, बस हम सोचते हैं कि चीनी नहीं है इसमें. ठीक है, salt को chemistry में या science में बोलते हैं sodium chloride. ठीक है?
Yes.
और अलग अलग टाइप ऑफ सॉल्ट होते हैं, लेकिन सॉल्ट जो हम खाते हैं इट्स कॉल्ड सोडियम क्लोराइड, जिसको हम लिखते हैं NaCl। सोडियम यानी Na, Cl यानी क्लोराइड। ठीक है, तो हम केमिकल फॉर्मूलाज, आप यू रिमेम्बर वी स्टडीड केमिकल फॉर्मूलाज राइट? SO2 is sulfur dioxide, CO2 is carbon dioxide.
Yes.
Just like that, salt that we eat is NaCl. There are other type of salt also that we don't eat, but salt that we eat is NaCl. Okay. Lemon is also made up of acid. What acid is there in lemon? It starts with C.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Citrus.
Citric acid or citrus acid. Okay. Yes. Now wait. I know there are some questions. Let me complete first. ठीक है, तो आपका जो लेमन जूस या सॉल्ट या जो भी चीजें होता है ना, यू रिमेम्बर मैंने आपको बोला था कि इस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड ऑल होते हैं, एक न्यूक्लियस में पॉजिटिव प्लस प्लस चार्ज होता है और बाहर माइनस माइनस चार्ज होता है।
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट दैट टॉपिक। सो NaCl को हम Na प्लस एंड Cl माइनस भी लिख सकते हैं। We can write Na plus as NaCl as Na plus and Cl minus. Where have you seen this plus and minus in your battery?
Positive charge and negative charge.
ऊपर
In terminals.
In terminals. So this will act as terminals. ठीक है, in your battery you have seen terminals. Just like that, and citric acid will, it's acid, right? So there will be, again, I'm not going to the formula, it's a very big formula. But whatever it is, there is positive and negative also. Okay. So now I'm making this zoom in करके यहाँ पे. So यहाँ please stop drawing on my screen, Chandru. So in your lemon juice, you can see plus Na plus everywhere and Cl minus also everywhere. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
You can't see it, but it's there. आप देख नहीं सकते हो, but वो है उसमें. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा जब आप इसमें दो खील लगा दोगे? If you are putting two nails inside it, so now see guys, this positive is joined to this part. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this one will become positive. Negative is connected to this part, so this part will become negative. Okay. I will tell you, these are actually called electrodes. We will learn about this, TRODES, electrodes. We'll learn about this in the chapter आगे भी, but you don't have to worry about it. For now, just remember that these two things will have some charge, and that charge they will get from the battery. Now, come back to the point when I said electricity जब होती है तो क्या और भी क्या होता है? What else is there?
What, ma'am?
Whenever electricity is there, what else is there?
Lighting.
Current.
Electricity जब होता है तो electricity के साथ साथ what else is there?
Ma'am, wire.
Magnet.
Magnetic effect. Electric effect के साथ होता है magnetic effect.
Magnetic effect.
Also, ठीक है, आपको पता है ना, हमने मैग्नेट में we did north pole, south pole, like poles attract, unlike poles repel. ऐसे ही something we studied, right? You remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry, unlike poles attract and like poles repel. ठीक है, so just like that. Now see, this will become positive charge if this is positive and if this is negative. तो ये जो positive है, all this positive वाला जो electrode है यहाँ से, it will take negative वाले को अपने पास खींचेगा, तो सारा Cl जो है वो positive के पास चला जाएगा और सारा Na plus जो है वो negative. So wherever it is, once you turn on the battery लगा दोगे आप, whenever you put the battery, this electrode और these two nails या ये जो खील है उसमें चार्ज आ जाएगा and it will start attracting. magnetic के इसके वजह से खींचने लगेगा ये Na plus और Cl minus को. Is this clear? आपको सिर्फ understand करना है, you don't have to memorize this. But did you understand this much? All of you give me a thumbs up if you understood. I'm seeing a few thumbs ups. If you did
Yes,
not
ma'am.
understand, you can ask me questions. Okay? So just know that inside the glass, if you are putting namak और glass के अंदर acid या नमक या कोई भी चीज हो, normal pure water के अलावा कोई भी अलग चीज हो, तो what will happen is that the charges inside the water will start moving. So these are charges, no? Are these charges or not?
Yes.
These are also charges, positive charge, negative charge.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Ma'am,
So,
in
yes.
water inside, I put namak, no water color change, ma'am.
Yes, color will change. That's a different thing. Okay. That is a different thing. Don't worry about color, but there will be charges. And these charges will start moving inside water. Okay. And electricity क्या होता है? Movement of charges ही तो होता है ना? Electricity is movement of charges only. So if charges will move, it means electricity will automatically be there. Do you remember that I told you that यहाँ पे minus minus करके I told you ना electrons move होते हैं, negative
Yes.
charges move होता है हर जगह पे. Do you remember I told you that?
Yes, ma'am.
So यहाँ
Yes,
पर भी अंदर अगर positive और negative charge move करेगा, if positive negative charge start moving inside the water, that means electricity will be there.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So basically, even if we said that this is an open circuit, it's actually not. It's not an open circuit. It is a closed circuit. Why? Because there are charges inside the water that will move and it will complete the circuit. Okay? Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
So now
Okay,
tell
ma'am.
me, do you think liquids can conduct electricity?
Yes.
No.
Say, now this is a liquid only, no?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So liquids can conduct electricity, yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I just told you ना, अगर यहाँ पे move करेगा charges तो electricity आएगा ही आएगा. That means liquids are good conductors of electricity only if it has some amount of salt in it. Salt का मतलब सिर्फ नमक का नहीं है, salt यानी कोई charges basically. ठीक है? अगर वो acid भी होगा, acid में हम नमक नहीं डालते हैं, but still it has some charges. ठीक है? So अगर pure water है, so I need you to write this down somewhere. Can I erase the screen? Do you want to take a screenshot of this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm erasing in 3, 2, 1. So liquids can conduct electricity, but प्योर वाटर एकदम शुद्ध पानी जिसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, नथिंग इज देयर, प्योर वाटर इज अ बैड कंडक्टर of electricity. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Arfat, I know you're raising your hand. I will ask you your question. Just give me a second. Okay. So now they have given you that same activity that I did. They have connected battery, bulb, and they've put it in lemon juice. Okay. So now here I'm just going to read out one part. When the liquid between the two ends of the tester यानी ये और ये, allows the electric current to pass, the circuit of the tester becomes complete. ठीक है? Tester is this whole thing. Okay, guys? Can I erase my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
all written this?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, थोड़ा ऊपर. If you've not written, please write this down. This point, and I'm erasing in 3, 2, 1. Done. Okay. So now they are calling tester, यानी ये पूरे चीज को they are calling tester. Tester क्योंकि ये test करना चाहते हैं. They're trying to test if water is water conducting or not. So this whole setup is called tester. This whole thing, okay, with the electrodes, it's called the tester. So now they're saying that when the liquid between the two ends of the tester, so liquid between the two ends of the tester allows electric current to pass, because it's lemon juice, there are charges in it. So there it will allow electricity to pass through it. Then the circuit will become complete and current will flow and the bulb will glow. Okay? Got it? Thumbs up? Thumbs down?
Yeah, ma'am.
Again, I'm going to explain in the white screen just to be very clear with it. So I'm taking a glass which has lemon juice in it. Okay. Let me just draw it like this to show you that there is lemon juice in this thing. Okay. It doesn't matter if it's only lemon juice. आप इसमें कुछ भी ले सकते हो, even tap water or lemon juice or any other drink. ठीक है? Just consider कोई भी drink which is not pure water. Okay, tap water is not pure water, no? Is tap water pure
Yes,
water?
ma'am.
No.
No.
Filter water is pure water. है ना?
Yes.
Yes.
Filter से जो आता है, that is pure water. If you use that, light will not come in the bulb. Okay. But any other water apart from that will have some amount of charges in it. Okay. By charges, I mean positive and negative charges everywhere inside the water. Somewhere or the other, something will be there. Okay. It could be anything. When I gave you example of lemon juice, I took only one part of it. I said lemon juice में salt होता है. Salt is NaCl. NaCl को हम Na plus और Cl minus भी लिख सकते हैं. ये आपको याद नहीं करना है. You don't have to remember this. Okay, I'm just giving you so that you understand. I'm just taking salt. Now there is other things also, right? In that there is lemon juice also. There is salt. There is sugar. There is pepper. There's so many things. So everything in this universe has some charge. Okay. Even your table has some charge. You can't feel it. Have you guys ever like touched something and suddenly एक हल्का सा shock लग जाता है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Sometimes when you're wearing like sweater and you're touching parda, sometimes your hair will like start standing up like this by itself. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And you remember that scale वाला activity जो हम ऐसे hair में rub करके paper उठाते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So everything in this universe is made up of charges. Okay? There are charges in everything because everything is made up of atoms, no?
Yes, ma'am.
I told you everything is made up of atoms. Atoms have charge. That means everything is having some charge, even though you can't feel it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So just like that, salt, lemon, juice, pepper, everything will have some charge. So can I say that this water is full of charges? There are charges everywhere in this water.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now if I am passing electricity, now I'm not drawing the whole circuit. Okay. I'm only drawing this part which is there inside. Now this part is not joined. ये वाला जो part है हमारे electric circuit का, ये वाला part is not joined.
Okay.
But still, अगर हम वो experiment करते हैं, तो light will glow. The bulb will glow. Why? Because there are charges inside this, and the charges that are inside this, अगर हम उसमें यहाँ पे उनको current provide करते हैं, तो जैसे magnet की तरह काम करेगा, electricity will also work as a magnet. So if you are putting electricity here, okay, then it will start attracting. So magnet में क्या होता है? If you are having north pole and south pole,
Of course.
and if you are keeping south pole here and north pole here, ये दोनों attract करता है ना, एक दूसरे को ऐसे चिपक जाएगा.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये move करेगा कि नहीं? Move करेगा ना, दूर है तो पास आ जाएगा.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
If it is far, it will come near. And if we have north pole, south pole, again north pole are pass में,
Ma'am, it will not attract, ma'am. It will go far away.
It will go far away. It will cause repulsion.
not move.
It will move. It will go far away. कभी मैग्नेट को से पास लाया और वो दूर चला जाता है.
It will react in opposite.
Yeah, ma'am.
Opposite way. One will attract, one will repulse. Okay. So whatever is happening, the magnet is moving, no?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So same way यहाँ पर भी जो charges हैं वो move करने लगेगा. तो जैसे
Yeah.
मान लो कि अगर ये मेरा पॉजिटिव वाला टर्मिनल है और ये नेगेटिव वाला टर्मिनल है, सो यहाँ के जितने भी नेगेटिव चार्जेस है, वॉट एवर नेगेटिव चार्जेस आर हियर, इट विल स्टार्ट गोइंग टू पॉजिटिव. इट विल मूव कि ओ चलो देयर इज पॉजिटिव. I really like
Yes,
it's like
ma'am.
some actor has come and they're all running to see this actor.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
At the same time, the positive charges will be attracted to the negative terminal. ठीक है? So positive and negative will start moving here and there. Yes?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
और जब भी charges move होती हैं, whenever charges move, there is electric current. Okay? Just know that
Okay, ma'am.
when charges move,
There is
electricity is produced. Okay?
Okay.
So even in your house, the wires that are there are charges moving through it. ठीक है? And वो जो charges move करते हैं, अगर ये charge move नहीं कर रहे, if the charges are not moving, they are only sitting in one place, then there is no electric current.
Yes, ma'am.
But charges का वही होता है कि atoms कभी stop नहीं होते move करना. Even in your body, all the atoms that are there, they are constantly moving. Why? Your ear is listening to what I'm saying, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means
Yes.
आपका ear is working. That means
Yes.
आपके ear में जो atoms है वो move कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
Yes.
Right? My mouth is talking. My mouth atoms near this place. My whole body. Every atom in this universe is always moving. Atoms will never stop. Atoms have energy. Atoms will be like छोटा 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 ऐसे ऐसे move करते रहेगा अपने जगह पे.
Ma'am, how that atoms look like?
Let me Google that and show you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Let me Google that. I'll एकदम satisfy all your curiosity. But अभी आपको ये समझ आया? Charges move हो रही है तो
Yes,
electricity
ma'am.
is there.
Yes, ma'am. Now I
Right.
understand.
Now let me take example of pure water. Can I clear this?
Ye-
I want you to write this in your notebook. This orange one.
Ma'am, you is telling to this water now.
This is lemon juice, darling.
Ma'am, in why is, ma'am, water also, why one water come to Kaveri, one water come Bisleri, why ma'am?
That is company.
Company.
That is
Water.
different company. Okay, it doesn't matter. उनका अपना factory है. उस factory में they are putting that water and purifying everything. That's why. Okay. I'm
Okay, ma'am.
clearing this now.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
I gave you example of distilled water.
Yes, that is pure water.
This is pure water. Even if we drink this water, it's going to do nothing for us because whatever we eat or drink, there needs to be something good in it, no? So that
Yes.
it has good effect on our body.
Yes.
Okay. Example of distilled water is pure water. Pure water is distilled water. So in distilled water, it's only water. There are no charges only. ठीक है, तो इसमें जो ये plus minus है, it is not there in distilled water. Okay, please go on mute everyone. Okay, so there are no charges in distilled water. Now, if I am putting these electrodes here, and this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal, not of battery, of that nail, okay? Positive, negative terminal of that nail.
Okay, ma'am.
Now tell me, will there be any charges moving inside?
No, ma'am.
No charges, no movement,
No charges.
because no charges. Because there are no charges.
Ma'am, we can write like this also. No, there is no atoms.
Atoms are, no darling, charges, like atoms में से charge निकलता है. Don't go into details, don't write atoms, you will use the word charges. Okay, 8th class में don't use the word atoms right now. I am only teaching कि आप समझ पाओ.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, use the word charges. Okay. So there are no charges. Because of that, it will not go or there is no movement. So electricity bulb जो है वो नहीं जलेगा. It won't glow only the bulb. Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Even if you did not understand whatever I told you completely, it's okay. Because आपको सिर्फ ये याद रखना है, whatever revision we did of last class, battery, how does it look, wire, how does it look, all those things, switch, how does it look, you need to remember that. And you need to remember that जो liquid है, it will conduct electricity. Only pure water will not conduct electricity. Everything else will conduct, all other liquid will conduct electricity. Okay. This much is clear to everyone? This now, okay. I found this activity. So they are doing conductivity test with tap water, distilled water, vinegar, petrol, mustard oil, lemon juice, kerosene oil, इन सब चीजों के साथ. ठीक है? So let's see what they are doing. So these are the materials that you will need, I think. So, okay. Now they have taken everything, what all materials are there, they have taken in a glass. Okay. Milk is there, iodine, copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is also a salt. Okay. Can everybody be on mute? Please अपने आप को unmute मत करो. Okay. They've taken all this. We'll fast forward a little bit because she's only explaining. There is no sound, don't worry. Now they've made the electric circuit. There is wire, there is bulb, there is this is whole thing is a tester. There is a battery also. Now they are taking the tap water, and I told you, no, nail. Heel ये लोग लगा रहे हैं बीच में. They are putting the nail. Now it is not glowing, or after some time it will start. I'll tell you why it takes some time. But I told you tap water has salt, no? Some amount of charges will be there.
Yes.
So that's why the bulb started glowing. Thoda time lagta hai, but it will glow. Distilled water. Is it glowing?
No, ma'am.
No, because there is no charge in this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is a bad conductor. Not all waters will conduct, not all liquids, only some liquids. Okay, you need to remember that. There are reasons why. Vinegar is making the bulb glow. Vinegar is good conductor or bad
Yes.
conductor?
Good
Conductor.
Vinegar has lots of charges.
How, ma'am?
It is a sort of acid, no? Electrolyte. It's called electrolyte. All the liquids which have charges are called electrolytes.
Okay, ma'am.
Petrol does not have charge.
Also,
So it is a bad conductor. It's good that petrol doesn't have charge. अगर पेट्रोल में चार्ज होता तो गाड़ी आग लगा देता ऐसे ही. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
जरा
Yes,
भी
ma'am.
गर्म होने पे फूट जाता. Mustard oil.
no.
Bad conductor because oil में भी चार्ज नहीं होता है. फ्री चार्जेस होना चाहिए. ठीक है गाइस? एटम्स तो हर चीज में होता है, but those charges should be free and outside the water. Okay. This is the pakka, like within a second lemon juice will give.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you understood how the experiment works?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can drink when that electricity pass through that
Hey,
lemon juice.
no, you can't drink it when electricity is there. Take it out and then drink. No.
I want
What a self
Don't
student.
try all this, please. अगर electricity लगा रहे हो, if you're doing this experiment, okay, copper sulfate is also an electrolyte. It will make the bulb glow. Okay, because copper sulfate is another salt. You can't eat that salt. It's a different type of salt. अलग-अलग type of salts होते हैं, which you'll learn in higher classes. Okay, it's making the bulb glow again, iodine. Okay, so this is your experiment. I think you have understood. So I'm going to stop this. And
Okay,
like
ma'am.
Umesh asked,
Atoms.
we are going to look at atoms. Okay. But mostly ये लोग सिर्फ diagram देंगे atoms का. But let's see. So ये सिर्फ drawing है atom का under electron microscope देखते हैं. There are different types of microscope also. Okay. See, these are atoms. Okay. It looks something like this.
Okay, ma'am.
It's very small. Only electron microscope से आपको atoms और electrons दिखते हैं properly. And that too not very clear. ठीक है? You can see all these pictures as like tiny dots.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see if I can find a video on atoms.
Ma'am,
also.
it is so many colors also there, no?
Not colors, darling. Colors doesn't matter. Colors they make only to show us properly. Atoms moving under microscope. Let's see how atoms move. Okay, if there is a video for that. Let me find some good video. I'm going to stop recording for 2 minutes.
It's all different.
This is a onion. Okay. Can you all please be on mute? Who is not on mute, Manan? 1 second. I'll share the sound also for this. So cell के अंदर देखो nucleus है and ऐसे कुछ चीजें दिखती हैं.
Microscopes can be used to see things like these onion cells and the structures within them as they divide, pulling apart their.
You don't need this, but this is how chromosomes look. I'm going to teach you about chromosomes in reproduction chapter. Just make sure it looks like an X with something in between, some round thing in between, okay? So just remember that.
Okay, ma'am.
And inside everything, this is how atoms, like everything in this world is made up of like atoms, which looks like this.
Ma'am, this is atom.
Somewhat. It's not very clear, I know. It's very difficult to, yeah, see now you can see atoms are moving. Okay, these are all 27,000 atoms and this is how atoms move. Okay. And these are atoms of platinum. That is what they are saying. ठीक है? तो आपके body में small atoms are always moving like this. How crazy is that? You don't even feel it.
Still,
Okay.
still, ma'am.
Every time atoms will never stop moving. Atoms always have energy. Atoms will never ever stop moving. Okay, get that in your head.
Ma'am, how can we stop that atoms, ma'am?
You can't, it won't stop. Atom is like, you can't even touch atom. How can you touch atom? Right now, if I'm touching my finger, I'm touching more than 1 million atoms.
Like,
I can't
ma'am,
touch one atom.
we can find some way to stop that atoms.
Yes, there is actually a way of stopping an atom. So there was this one picture that came, not movie, like one photo. One scientist was able to stop atom beach mein, hawa mein. It was very small. Let me try and find that picture for you if you are interested.
Yeah, I am interested, ma'am. Please show,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, I will show that. Okay, so this is how like all the atoms together, they'll all move, okay? This is just one part of it. The world is very big. So I'm going to stop recording now and let me see if I can find that electron. It won't be an atom, it'll be an electron, I think. I got it. Oh my God. Okay, so this is a picture of a single atom. Do you see how small it is? It's like two very powerful magnets that is hardly एक पेन के निब का भी साइज नहीं है, उसका भी आधा साइज है इस मैग्नेट का. ओके, सो डू यू सी दिस इज लाइक अ वेरी छोटा सा चीज जिसमें बीच में 2 मैग्नेट रखा है और उसके भी बीच में they have put the they were able to separate only one atom. Okay, so this is that one atom and it's a very small equipment. Okay, it's a very very small thing. So this picture that जिस साइंटिस्ट ने ये पिक्चर लिया था this picture won some award also, and it was so famous. See, it wins science photo contest, some award this person won. So they were able to separate one atom out of something. I don't know what that thing is. Got it? Clear now?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
No, we cannot do that experiment, ma'am.
In your house, no, because this atom is separated using very heavy equipments and like very बहुत ज़्यादा महंगी चीजें यूज करी हैं इसमें, all expensive things. I don't think we can get it. I really hope that we could, but we can't. But here's the picture that I wanted to show you. So you can see it.
Ma'am, by laser light we can see atoms.
No. You can see that they are connecting some wires here. There's so much power, magnetic effects, electricity, everything that they are giving. And they managed to take one atom and just balance it mid-air. Balance, they're not stopping, it is balancing. These are magnets. वो magnets जो है charges को balance करके उधर उस atom को रोक रहा है. अगर वो magnet हटा दोगे तो वो atom चला जाएगा. ठीक है? You won't be able to see it. Got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's how science works. That's too much information for one class. But I hope you found it interesting and you learned a lot. Please do YouTube में ये सारे videos आप देखो whenever you search. Just put those words. What I did was atom suspend, electron suspend. That's what I did, right? I'm just putting words and you get the result somehow. So please try by yourself, and that's it.